Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you 5 best drawer slides. Vadania Industrial Ultra Heavy Duty Drawer Slides. Double thickening. Made of 0.1-2.5 mm high density thickened steel, better bearing capacity. Upgraded heavy duty. 7.5 mm stronger bearing ball, smoothly working with up to 432 pounds per max capacity load. The thickness of each guide rail is 2.5 mm. 100,000 times push-pull tests without damage. AOLISHENG Heavy Duty Drawer Slides. Full extension. 3-fold full extension, opening allows for the entire drawer to be accessed. Rubber brake preventing from automatic opening. Provides sliant and friction-free motions when open drawer. The opening and closing time of the slide rail exceeds 100,000 plus, which is durable. Viver Heavy Duty Drawer Slides. It is electroplated on the surface for anti-rust and wear resistant. The heavy-duty rail slides can be installed on the side of the cabinet or machine parts. It is perfect for room furniture, industrial drawers, modified car drawers, office cabinets, etc. GBGS 4 pairs soft close drawer slides. Length 16 inches, width 1 3/4, thickness 1/2. The max full extension length 32 inches, load capacity up to 77 pounds per pair. The length of slides can't be longer than the cabinet case depth. And face frame cabinets will require a rear mounting bracket, whereas for faceless cabinets the slides are mounted directly on the side. 4 pairs, 8 pieces, drawer slides, 64 screws, 1 English manual. DEMZA 10 pairs drawer slides. Thickened main body, DEMZA uses upgraded thickened steel. The steel thickness is 1.5 mm, and the load capacity is 110 pounds. The design of double rows of solid steel balls can ensure smooth, balanced and silent operation of the guide rail. Lifetime warranty guaranteed to make your purchase worry-free. Any questions, please contact us firstly, we will reply to you as soon as possible. Follow video description if you want to know the price. Thanks for watch. Subscribe my channel for more videos.